Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Tatre from Powerpuff Girls. Grab your marker and follow along with me. I'll start with the hair first. Now right here on top, I'm just going to draw a strand of hair. And then I'm going to make it like little curves following each other all the way around. And then I'm going to make it nice and round at the bottom. And then I'm going to make this pattern back, all the way back. Now from this side, I'm going to draw the hair going that way. And I'm going to start here, and then I'm just going to take it back. All the way around, and maybe I'll just connect it there. Now that I have the hair, I'm going to make a nice round face. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to try to make an oval. As best as I can. And now we can do the two eyes. Now Tatra's got huge eyes. So I'm going to start here, make it nice and round. I'm going to take it back all the way. Then I'm going to do the pupil. And of course a light reflection, and then just another bigger circle on the outside to finish up the eye. Now we're going to do the same on this side as well. I'm going to start with the pupil, then a light reflection, and then I can do the iris. All the way around, and then of course the outside of the eye, a little bit bigger. Now right between the eyes, I'm going to draw a little smile and a little stubbles for his beard everywhere where you can. Just make random dots. Good. And let's color the pupils in. Now we can go down to the body. First I'm going to draw a collar. I'm going to make an A shape, and I'm going to take it back to the head. And on this side, let's do the same thing as well. And right in the collar, we're going to draw a tie. First I do a little X. Maybe a little jacket, two curves on that side. And now we can start with the arms. So at the outside, I'm going to make it nice and round, sort of a banana shape. And let's draw the same kind of shape on the other side. I'm going to draw a sleeve, and on this side I'll draw another sleeve for his shirt. Now we can start with the body. I'll make a horizontal line to indicate where my legs will go back to, and then on this side I'm going to draw a leg. On this side, try to do the same thing. Try to copy it as best as you can. And we can draw the bottom of his trousers as well. Great! So let's color his clothes in. And there's Tatre. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure your picture will turn out amazingly. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.